Hi everyone. Today we're going to check the why the PC Engine Mini and Core Grafx Mini also and Turbo Grafx Mini, all these consoles have the same board, and why it's always fail, especially in the USB hub, because many times it uh, get burned because of the design, the bad design in the USB hub chip. So I have here both this console, the PC Engine Mini, and I have also the Genesis Mini here, because both of them they have the same chip, and also it designed similar, but there is some differences in small things, especially in the resistors. So first we're going to check why the Genesis Mini have a good design, and it's very rare that it will get failed in the USB ports, and why it's happening here in the PC Engine Mini. But before we start the testing, I want to clarify that I'm just a hobbyist. I'm not an expert in electrical components and things, so this is all just I'm learning from the internet and trying to understand why this is happening, and to prevent it's happened to my console. By the way, my console is working, there is no issue with it, but if it needs some modification to prevent this issue, I will do it. So we have here the Genesis Mini. First I'm going to test the value of the resistors. There is two resistors here. One is here and one is here. And it's connected, I think, to the pin 18 and 19 in this chip. So the first one, it's 4.7k ohms. 4.7. The second one, it's 0. Also, let's check the continuity. The first one on the top. 1 second. Okay. Now we're going to check the PC Engine Mini. Back to the ohms. The strange thing here, there is 3 resistors and the design is different. There is one here, there is another one here, and one is here. We're going to check the value of the 3 and we will see. The first one is 0. Let's check again. The second one near the capacitor is 4.7k ohms. The third one, it's 0. Okay, so let's zoom here and check something here between the two consoles. Sorry, my phone is shaking. Okay, you can see here I'll take. I was testing before recording this video, and I will show you also what's going on here. This is the PC Engine Mini here. When I checked for the voltage on this resistor, and also checking here on this one, if the power cable is connected, this resistor will have 5 volts even if the switch is off. Not like here. Here in the Genesis Mini, it's connected to the switch, so it will not get any voltage unless the console is on. But here, no, even the console is off, there will be voltage. I think 5.0 something, I'm not sure. But these pins, this is the save pins here in this one and this one. If the console is on, it will provide the 4.85 volt to the console. This is the safest one. But the problem is the design here in the PC Engine Mini. It's taking the voltage even if it's not the console is not on. It will still continue providing power, and if there is any problem in the power source, it will come to the chip directly. So we will test the voltage now, so you can see by yourself and what's the best method to save this issue. Now let's start testing with the Genesis Mini first. So I'll show you first. The console is off. Okay, now it's connected to the power. I will check the voltage like this. I hope it's clear for you. Okay. Now, if I test here and I put the probe on this, you will see there is nothing. It's 0. Okay, but let's connect the power or turn it on. Now let's check the voltage. 4.8 now, that means 4.9. Let's check the other resistor here. Also the same. If we turn off the console, let's check again. You see, there is no voltage, not in this one also. So let's disconnect this one and connect the PC Engine Mini. Before I do anything, I will show. Okay, now it's off on the left. Okay. Now it's connected. Let's check the voltage. Now, since we have 3 resistors, the console is not on. Let's check this one. You see 5.02. The other side 5.02. Let's check the other resistor. 5.02. Also the other resistor 5.02. So it's connected directly to the power source. But there is the safest one that it should help to correct this issue. If you see here, this pad, I'll show you later, no problem. There is a pad here, it's 0, okay? But if we turn on the console, now we check this pad, that empty pad, they didn't use, and they're supposed to use it. You see? 1 second. Yes, 4.87. This is the safe pads. And this is one that's supposed to be used, not the direct one. Let's check the other one that connected directly to the power source. 4.82. 4.82. But if we turn off the console and check again, 5.02. So what's the solution for this issue? Let's zoom so we can get closer look. Okay. I think the solution is we should move this resistor from this area to this one, to here, connected to this one, and remove this resistor from here and connect it to this one, because here these 2 pins is the source for the safe power line that will turn on after the switch, not from the power source. So I hope this will help to fix this issue, and thank you for watching.